Hey there gamers! If you're having trouble with your PS5 controller charging but won't turn on, don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll show you some simple steps to get your controller up and running again. So, let's get started. Step 1, check the charging cable. The first thing you need to do is check the charging cable. Make sure you're using a genuine PS5 charging cable, as third-party cables may not be compatible with the controller. Also, ensure that the cable is plugged in properly. Step 2, check the USB port. Next, inspect the USB port on the controller for any damage or debris. If there's any dirt or dust in the port, clean it with a soft, dry cloth. If there's any damage to the port, you may need to have it repaired by a professional. Step 3, reset the controller. If the controller is still not charging or turning on, press and hold the reset button on the back of the controller for 10 seconds. This will reset the controller and may fix any issues it's experiencing. Step 4, charge the controller using a wall outlet. If the controller still doesn't charge, try charging it using a wall outlet instead of a USB port. This will provide a stronger charge and may fix the issue. Step 5, check the battery. If the controller is still not turning on or charging, the battery may be dead. Try using a different battery or have the battery replaced by a professional. Step 6, contact Sony support. If none of these steps work, don't panic. Contact Sony support for further assistance. They may be able to diagnose and fix the issue or provide you with a replacement controller. And there you have it, folks. We hope these tips helped you fix your PS5 controller. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gaming content. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.